Everyone, welcome back to PM Learn. If you are looking to level up your project management skills, you're in the right place. Today, we are tackling one of the most fundamental frameworks in the tech world, SDLC, or the software development life cycle. Whether you are a building project manager or a developer looking to understand the big picture, this video is for you. So, understanding the framework, before we get into the nuts and bolts, let's understand why we need a framework at all. Without a structured cycle, software development is chaotic. Features are missed, budgets are blown, and quality suffers. SDLC is the roadmap that prevents that disasters. So, what is SDLC? As you can see here, it's a systematic process. Think of it as a factory line for high quality software. The process involves multiple defined steps while the goal is simple. Deliver software that uses love on time and within the budget you promised your stakeholders. The 7 core phases. Here is the bird's eye view of the journey. Most models follow these 7 phases, from the initial planning and analysis, through the design and build, and finally through testing, development, and ongoing maintenance. Every PM needs to know where this project sits on this timeline at all times. Let's discuss about phase 1 and phase 2. So, planning and requirement analysis, phase 1 and 2, are where the foundation is laid. We look at feasibility. Can we actually do this? Then we engage with stakeholders to understand their pain points. All of this culminates in the SRS, or software requirement specification. If this document is weak, the whole project will be weak. Design and development. Now we move to the technical heavy lifting. In design, architects create the blueprints, deciding how data flows and what the UI looks like. Then in development, the code actually gets written. As a project manager, this is where you are managing daily stand-ups and ensuring the devs have everything they need to stay focused. Testing and deployment. Next up, quality control. We don't just ship code and hope for the best. In testing, we find and squash bugs. Once the product is solid, we move to deployment. This is the go live movement, where the software finally reaches the end user. Maintenance. But wait, it doesn't end at launch. Maintenance is actually the longest phase. You're fixing unexpected bugs, updating the software for new operating systems, and even adding small perfective features to keep users happy. A good project manager knows that launch is just the beginning of the product's life. Compressing SDLC models. Now, how you move through these phases depends on your model. Waterfall is linear and traditional, great for fixed scopes. Agile is iterative and flexible, perfect for most modern apps. Then you have the spiral model for high risk projects and the V model for systems where safety is critical, like medical software. Let's check about the trend. If you look at the industry trends over the last decade, there's a massive shift toward agile and DevOps. Companies are not waiting 12 months to release a product anymore, they are releasing small updates every single week. Understanding this shift is key to staying relevant in today's job market. The project manager's role. As a project manager, you are the conductor of this orchestra. You manage the timeline, act as a bridge for communication, mitigate risk before they become issues, and ensure that your team's resources are being used on the right task at the right time. That wraps up our deep dive into SDLC. Did this help clearly the process for you? If so, hit that like button and drop a comment below. I love to hear which SDLC model you use in your workplace. Don't forget to subscribe to PM Learn for more simplified project management content. See you in the next one.